We're going to multiply a math problem using partial products. As we previously spoke about, partial products are the products of two numbers, and they are obtained when we break numbers into parts. Then we have to multiply those parts and add them all together to get the final product, or the answer. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that there is a sentence stem, and that is a sentence stem that we're going to use whenever we solve the multiplication problem. The sentence stem goes as follows. The product of blank and blank is blank. So upon looking at the word problem, I see that there is a Quiche festival. For those of you who don't know, Quiche is a widely spoken native language in the country of Guatemala. An interesting fact is that 2.3 million people identify Quiche as their first language. And it's really interesting because that means 7% of Guatemala's population speaks Quiche as a first language. So now let's go back to the word problem. The city of Houston is preparing its first annual Quiche Festival, where people can enjoy some great traditional foods and admire its rich culture. If the city has 99 tables and each table sits 23 people, how many people are expected to attend? So, by reading this word problem, I can see that we're going to be multiplying 99 times 23. 99 represents the number of tables, and 23 represents the number of people that can sit in each table. So if we break down 99, it goes into 90 and 9. And when we break down 23, it becomes 20 and 3. Now that we have our partial products, we can build a square, and the square is going to be divided into 4 parts. On each side of the square, we're going to write the partial products. So we're going to begin with the partial products of 99, which is 90 and 9. And then the partial products of 23, which are 20 and 3. Now we can begin multiplying. 90 times 20 is 1,800. 9 times 20 is 180. 90 times 3 is 270. And 9 times 3 is 27. We now have our partial products. So we can now add them all up. But first, I'm going to write them on the side so that we can have a better view of what it is that we are adding up. So we're adding the 1,800, the 270, the 180, and the 27, which are all our partial products, and we're going to add them up to get our final product, or the answer. So there is no number other than 7 in the ones place, so we're going to bring the 7 down. There are 3 numbers in the tens place, so the addition would be 70 plus 80 plus 20, which will give us a total of 170. So we're going to put a 7 in the tens place, and we're going to add a 1 in the hundreds place. So then there will be a 100 plus 800, which will give us 900, plus 200 would give us 1,100, plus 100 would give us 1,200. So we're going to put a 2 in the hundreds place, and we're going to add another 1,000. So now there is a 1,000 and another 1,000, which will give us 2,000. So our answer is 2,277. So the city of Houston expects 2,277 people to attend the festival. We now have the answer, and now the last thing we have to do is complete the sentence stem. So, the product of blank and blank is blank. The product of 99 and 23 is 2,277. We have now completed this problem, and we are done.